Hello everyone. In previous lecture you have seen that we have created a featured games and most played game section. Okay. Now in this lecture we will learn how to create a random game section on our this fragment, which is the home fragment. This is a random game section where a random games shown by API from the Gamehubs. Okay. So let's get started. Open your Android Studio and load your project into it. Then go to the app directory, then resource. Under the layout, select fragment home. Now, as you know, we also need a text view and a recycler view again for our third section, which is the random games section, right? So let's copy this one. Okay. Now paste it after the this recycler view. Okay. Let's name it TV random. Okay. Now, as you can see, it is stick to the TV most viewed. So we have to show it after this recycler view. Okay. So copy this recycler view ID and paste it here in the property of the top to bottom of TV random. Okay. TV random. Now, as you can see, it is fixed. And also we need a recycler view. So just to select this one and copy it and paste it after the TV random. Okay. First of all, you have to close this tag. Okay. Now paste it here. Now name it RV random. Okay. Now we also have to set this recycler view bottom of this text view. Okay. So copy this text view ID and paste it in the property of top to bottom. Okay. Now as you can see, it has been fixed. Okay. Let's close this tag. Now everything is fine and our home fragment all three sections layout is working fine. So this video has been completed. I will meet you in the next video.